Hello and welcome. This is Ethan Crawford with the University of Denver Graduate School of Social Work with a quick tutorial to show you how to take a video from the DU course media system and post it into one of your Blackboard courses. First thing you want to do is open up a web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, and that is also the browser that's recommended by the DU Office of Teaching and Learning, who built the DU course media system. You want to go ahead and visit coursemedia.du.edu and log in with your DU credentials. When you log into the course media system, first thing you want to do is click on Gallery Management. We want to see that you have a personal gallery created for this purpose. If you don't already have a personal gallery for this class, I recommend you create one now. Create personal gallery and give it a name. You can also give it a description and some keywords. In this case, I'm just going to leave it blank. Next, we want to find the video that we can add to this gallery. So I can go to Media Search. You can always use the buttons up here to browse the media galleries. I'm actually going to search under Assessment for a specific video. I want to search all metadata fields. So here we have a handful of video search results, and I found a video titled Suicide Risk Assessment here. By default, the video starts playing, so I can pause it here. Also by default, you'll see a start point and an end point have been added to the video. I want to add this full video to my gallery, so I'm going to leave those where they are. And if I scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, I will see my gallery list here. And in that gallery list, I will find my assessment course. I want to add this video to the assessment course, so I'm going to check that one and click the button Add Clip to Gallery. The system makes a quick frame capture and adds the video to the collection, so I can close that. Now I just want to double check that it's there. I'm going to go back to Gallery Management here and look for my assessment course. Most recently added is all the way at the bottom. So I click on that and I see the video is in there. What I need to do is copy the embed code for this video that I can take over to Blackboard. So click on the video. Again, it starts playing by default. I'm going to pause it. Now that I have the clip in a gallery, I can grab the embed code for this specific clip. So down here at the bottom right, there's this button that when you mouse over it, says embed code. That is what we want to click on to bring up the embed code. What I need to do is copy this entire code and paste it into a new item in Blackboard. So I'm going to say copy this to clipboard, and I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab in my browser, bring this code over to Blackboard. I can log in at blackboard.du.edu with my DU credentials. See my course list here on the right side. Enter the course that I'm going to post this video. I'm already in the course documents section, so I'm going to create a new item. In the place where I want to post the video, you may want to create a new gallery here in Blackboard. A new content folder under Build Content. You can create a content folder specifically for video resources. I'll call this Video Resources. I don't need to give it a description because it's just a folder in this case. Track the views and create the folder. So now in my course documents section, I have a folder titled Video Resources. I could also just add the item directly to the course documents or the content section, but I prefer to keep them organized into folders. So now I'm in the Video Resources folder. I want to go back to Build Content And under Create, I want to create an item. Again, I need to give this item a title. Suicide assessment skills. Before I paste this code into the text field here, I want to double check that the text editor is off. If the text editor is on, you want to go ahead and turn that off. Once it's off, you can go ahead and right click or Control V to paste that code into the text field here. All these options should be good by default, smart text. And scroll down. Again, I'm going to track the views on this item and submit. It'll take us back to our video resources folder where for some reason the video never loads on the first try. It's a very unusual issue in Blackboard, but I can go back through the course documents to visit my video resources folder, and there it is. Always works on the second try. So there's my video. It's been embedded into Blackboard. You also carry over all the information regarding the video. I can get that out of the way by clicking that button on the right, or I can bring it back out if I need it. Otherwise, you can probably figure it out from here. You can click the play button to play the video, and I can use the full screen button down on the bottom right to full screen the video. Click the escape button to get back to the browser view, and that is how you embed a video into your Blackboard course.